To the right.
Yeah, go on, we'll all wait for you, so we're riding down together.
Go on.
Come on, dead right, boys.
You here?
Right, we're all together now, yeah?
Yep.
Yep.
There's Caleb. Right. Get one of our patch on the back.
Yeah. They'll love us, won't they? I bet they'll be pleased we're here. Aye.
I'll ask us to leave in a minute.
Aye.
Sorry, sir.
King Charles will come out and say, hey, Gypsy Nomads,
Do you believe that you can win this fight tonight?
Exit the roundabout onto Whitehall, then turn left onto Great Scotland Yard. Take the next left onto Great Scotland Yard, then turn right onto Northumberland Avenue. Take the next right onto Parliament Square, A302. Keep right to continue on Great George Street.
Take my hand and come with me because you look so fine that I really want to make you mine.
Turn.
Big black boots, long brown hair.
Continue on A3211 for 1.5 miles.
Well, I could say you hung with me.
Go on, Dave.